Mastering slide transitions. Make your presentations flow. Hello and welcome, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of presentation design that often goes unnoticed, yet plays a significant role in maintaining your audience's attention. We're talking about slide transitions. Let's unravel the mystery behind using slide transitions effectively in PowerPoint or other presentation software to create more dynamic, engaging presentations. Slide transitions are the visual effects that occur when you move from one slide to the next during a presentation. They provide a smooth flow from one piece of information to another, and if used properly, they can add a professional touch to your presentations. However, it's essential to remember that slide transitions should complement your content, not distract from it. Slide transitions serve two main purposes. First, they guide the audience's attention through your presentation, helping them anticipate what's coming next. Second, they create a visual variety that can keep your audience engaged. However, it's important to use transitions sparingly and consistently to avoid making your presentation seem unprofessional or chaotic. Different presentation software offers a variety of slide transitions. Common types include fade and dissolve. The current slide gradually disappears, revealing the next. Push and cover. The new slide moves in, pushing the current one out. Wipe. The new slide appears to wipe the old one away. Remember, the type of transition you choose should depend on the mood and tone of your presentation. In most presentation software, applying slide transitions is a straightforward process. You usually need to 1. Select the slide you want to apply the transition to. 2. Go to the Transitions tab in the menu. 3. Choose the transition effect you prefer. 4. Adjust the speed of the transition if necessary. Don't forget to preview the transition to ensure it works as you expect. And there we have it. Now you should have a solid understanding of what slide transitions are, why they're used, and how to apply them effectively. Remember, the key to using slide transitions is to keep them consistent, subtle, and always in service to your content. Practice is your best friend here. Keep experimenting with different transitions until you find what works best for you. As always, thank you for tuning in. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to guiding you further on your journey to mastering the English language and effective communication. Until next time, happy learning!